Woo! Hi! Didn't see you there. Hello! I am Hilary Beatrice M. Balaas from STEM 11 Y12P. Are you ready to learn more about the mathematical stuff and more mathematical equations, numbers, adding numbers, subtracting numbers with letters like that, a mix? Are you bored at home and you want to learn something? Listen to me. Listen. So today, I'll be tackling about operations and functions.
What?
Is it operations and functions? Or operations of functions? I'm not sure about that. We'll wait until I get inside. Specifically with the addition and subtraction. So yes, let's go inside and learn. Wow! So we were inside the house, y'all, and I'm going to tackle about operations and functions. So it's operations on functions, specifically addition and subtraction. Earlier, operations of functions, and that was not the correct way. So really? So it was actually operations on functions. I don't even know what my topic is. So let's go to the whiteboard area. Behind the scenes a little bit, just joking. Sitting down on the floor because I'm lazy as hell and I don't want anything to do. I don't have anything to do. Just kidding. So yes, I'm sitting down and I'll be showing you now. So this is the whiteboard area, as you can see. So let's start. Should we start or never start? I think we should start or never. Oh, we should, guys. Okay. General mathematics. General mathematics. That's our subject. So on to the main topic. Operations on functions. Not operations of functions, not operations and functions, but operations on functions, clearly. In addition and subtraction only. So let's get into the definition. So this is the addition and this is the subtraction. As you can see, it has like no difference. The only difference are the signs. Of course, in the addition we have the addition sign, and the subtraction the minus sign. So the plus sign, I mean. So we defined addition by, for example, the given is f and g. Let's say the given is f and g. So f plus g of x is equal to f of x plus g of x. They're like the same, but just in another format. And we have subtraction. See, very similar except for the signs. We have f minus g of x equals to f of x minus g of x. Like very easy. So if you get intimidated by these, do not be. It just looks intimidating because of those, but it is not. We'll see for the example later. So yes, we'll head on to the examples now. Okay, before we head on to the examples, I hope you by the end of this video able to learn everything that I say. Okay, like everything. I hope that. Let's head on. For the first example, let f of x 2x plus 3 and g of x equals x minus 5. find the f plus g of x. So that's the problem. So the first thing you're going to do is write the expression for f plus g of x, this one, the ones on the board earlier, the first from the other clip before this. You just have to write this. Next, you'll substitute. So we'll have to substitute these and follow this. We have substituted it already. So it's 2x plus 3 plus x minus 5. So this, from there, followed the formula. Now this, okay? Very easy, right? And now for the third step is to combine the like terms. What do you mean by combining like terms? We combine the like terms, obviously. So what is 2x plus x? So 2x plus x, it's 3. And plus 3 minus 5. So 3 minus 5 is 2. So it will become 3x minus 2, because 2x plus x is 3. We regard x as 1. So 2x plus 1 is 3, so it became 3x. And 3 minus 5 is 2, so it became 2. So that's the combined term. So the final answer is this one now. F plus g of x is equals to 3x minus 2. Now you got it. Basic as that. I hope you understand that. So let's now move to the second example. Second example. Another example. So it's let f of x equals x squared and g of x equals 4x. Find f plus g of x. So this is the problem. And the solution, like it was before. First is write the expression. This one. F plus g equals to f of x plus g of x, and substitute. Once you have substitute, what do we do next with this problem? Do we combine the like terms? The question is there any terms that we can combine with this? Is it a yes or no? Yes or no? Okay. So, what do you think is the final answer? Is this the final answer? Once again, yes or no? I don't know, we don't know. But, this is already actually the final answer because it's already simplified. We don't have to add or subtract anything because wala nang i-subtract or i-add from the problem. So this is now the final answer. Now to the third example. The third example, we have let f of x equals 3x plus 1 and g of x equals negative 2x or minus 2x plus 4. Find the f plus g of x. How do you find it? Of course, first we have to write the expression, which is the f plus g of x equals to f of x plus g of x. This is the expression slash formula. Don't ever forget about this, though it's not easy to forget because it's just that, you know. Now, of course, next we have to substitute. So we have substituted the f of x as 3x plus 1 and the g of x as negative 2x plus 4. So now we have to combine the like terms. Combine like terms, the third step. So 3x minus 2x plus 1 plus 4. We combined the 3x minus 2x because they're the same. They had the same, they have x's in the end. So we combine that, and that's the combined term. Now we simplify. So 3x minus 2x plus 1 plus 4. So 3x minus 2x, 1. Okay, you've simplified now the, and then this is the final answer, because 3x minus 2x is 1 and 1 plus 4 is 5. So it became x because we regard 1 as x, or regard x as 1. So x plus 5 is the answer. This is now the final answer. F plus g of x is equal to x plus 5. Now, next one. I hope you understand what I'm saying. Once again, this is the full solution and problem. Okay, next example, let's try very easy. Or is it hard? It may look intimidating, but trust me. So the problem is, let f of x equals to sin of x and g of x equals to cos of x. Find the f plus g of x. First up, write the expression. So you can see here, f plus g of x is equal to f of x plus g of x. Then substitute. Just write your f of x plus the g of x. In this case, the f of x is sin of x, and the g of x is cos of x. Now, do we need to simplify this one? Oh, did you hear that? I just farted. So do we need to simplify this? Yes or no? Yes or no? So, as you guessed it, you don't need, I don't know what you guessed, but you don't have to simplify this anymore like from the second example, because you don't have to add or subtract anything already. So you just write this and add the given. So, the final answer is just that. F plus g of x is equal to sin of x plus cos of x. That easy, right? So now, we head on. So we move on to subtraction. So here is the first example. And the problem is, let f of x equals 4 of x plus 3 and g of x equals 2x minus 1. Find the f minus g of x. Did I say, oh my god. Did I say plus again? Oh yes, it is plus. So that's the problem. Of course, the first step is to always write the expression. So as you can see, it's the same as this addition, just change the operation to be used to the minus sign. So it's f minus g of x equals to f of x minus gx. Now, you guessed it, substitute, of course. So we substitute these, the f of x and minus g of x. So f minus g of x is equal to 4x plus 3 minus 2x minus 1. We have substituted it. Now the third step, and before we combine the like terms, we have to distribute the negative signs first. So it will become 4x plus 3 minus 2x plus 1. As you can see, the negative minus 1 became plus 1. And so here comes the fourth term. The fourth step. now we combine the like terms. So yes, we add back the parentheses and we combine. So 4x minus 2x is 2x. And then 3 plus 1 is 4. So it would be 2x minus 1. Oh, 2x plus 4. I mean, sorry for the error. So the final answer would be f minus g of x is equal to 2x plus 4. It's that easy. It is that basic. Right? It might look intimidating, but trust me, girls, guys, and girls, and every one of you watching, it's basic as it gets. I don't know what I'm saying, basta, it's just so easy that you don't even need a calculator to solve it. On to the second example. The second example, the problem is let f of x equals to x squared plus 5 and g of x 3x plus 2. Find the f minus g of x. Of course, first step, write the expression. That's the expression. I don't know if you don't know, if you still don't know it by now, I'll say it again. F minus g of x equals to f of x minus g of x. Then, second step, substitute. Substitute the g of f of x and g of x from the given at the problem that is seen in the problem. So x squared plus 5 minus 3x plus 2. That's when it's substituted. Now, to distribute the negative signs. So once you have distributed the negative signs, it would become f of x of f minus g of x is equals to x squared plus 5 minus 3x minus 2. As you can see, the second term changed again. Once again, it's change again its sign from plus to minus. And the fourth step is to combine like terms. So once you've combined it, you combine x squared minus 3x minus parentheses 5 minus 2 and another parentheses. So yeah, you have to simplify these first. 5 minus 2 is 3. And copy these. Now the final answer is this one. The final answer is f minus g of x is equal to x squared minus 3x minus 3. So very easy. Now next example, and it would be the last one, I presume. I don't know, I'm not sure yet. Third example of the subtraction. We have let f of x equals 2x raised to 3 and g of x equals to x squared plus 4. Then find the f minus g of x. Of course, first, write the expression. I think you know it by now. The always first step is to write the expression. Okay? Always remember. Then substitute, of course. The f of x, the given f of x is 2x raised to 3. That's why we wrote that there. Minus x squared plus 4. The given g of x is this, so we wrote that there. And then third step is to distribute the negative signs. As you can see, always the second term gets to, you'll always have to change the second term regarding subtraction here. From positive to negative once again. And then after this, we combine the like terms. So this is the combined already. This one's the final answer. That's the final answer already because we don't need to simplify anymore because we don't have anything to simplify. So this is the final answer already. Okay, now to the Fourth. Fourth example, last example for subtraction is is let f of x equals to sin of x and g of x is equals to cos of x. Find the f minus g of x. So first, write the expression as per usual and then substitute. That's when it's substituted. We don't have to distribute anything anymore because that's just a given, and we don't have to combine the like term because there's nothing to combine. So this would be the final answer already. So you can see the final answer would be f minus g of x is equal to sin of x minus cos of x. So very easy, right? Told you. So before we end this, let's have a little bit of some fun, more fun actually, and have a little fun activity. Show you guys now. So this is brain exercise for addition. You have to find the f plus g of x, and please take a moment to write it down. Please write it down and try to answer it one by one, and the following clips will show the answers. Don't cheat, I hope. You don't. So number 1, given f of x is equals to 3x plus 2 and the g of x is equals to 5x minus 4. Number 2, f of x is equal to x squared plus 3 and the g of x is equal to 2x plus 1. Number 3, third item, f of x is equals to 4x raised to 3, then the g of x is equals to 3x plus 2. Then fourth item, 4 of x is equals to sin of x, then the g of x is equals to cos of x. So yes, please answer it on. Okay, on to the next clip. While waiting for you guys to finish your activity, little activity, brain activity to enhance our knowledge, I don't know what I'm saying, I'm gonna have my coffee break. Refreshing. Oh, energizing, I mean. Okay, I hope you have finished it already. If you haven't, please pause the video. On to the next clip again. Find the f plus g of x. So the first question is f of x is equal to 3x plus 2 and g of x is equal to 5x minus 4. So we have to find the f plus g of x. So the first, without any of the written guide, first, did you remember what to do? Of course you have to. That was a lot, and it's impossible, preposterous for you not to know it. Okay, so the first is to write the expression. Second, substitute, then combine. And try and answer this by yourself first. Now I'll show the answer. So first example, of course, I hope you answered it by yourself correctly. First example, the answer with solution. First, you have to write the expression, then substitute, then combine the like terms. So combine like terms, and the final answer is f plus g of x is equals to 8x minus 2. Remember that. 2, 1. On to the second activity. The second problem. And so what do we do first? Of course, is to write the expression, substitute, then combine like terms. write the expression, substitute, then combine the like terms. So the answer for number 2 is x squared plus 2x plus 3 plus 1. Oh, just kidding. It's actually plus 4 because we added 3 plus 1. So this is the final answer for problem number 2. So number 3, the problem is f of x is equals to 4x raised to 3 and g of x is 3x squared plus 2, and we must find the f plus g of x. So first, of course, write the expression, then substitute, then combine the like terms. We don't have to simplify it anymore because it's already been simplified. So the final answer for problem number 3 is f plus g of x. Oops, I forgot the parentheses. F plus g of x is equal to 4x raised to 3 plus 3x raised to 2 plus 2. So on to the fourth and last number. Fourth activity, fourth number problem is to find f plus g of x, and the given is f of x is equal to sin of x and the g of x is equal to cos of x. So first always write the expression, then substitute. Do we have to combine any like terms? We don't already, so this is the final answer. So that's the final answer. This is the answer for number 4, is f plus g of x is equal to sin of x plus cos of x. So we now move on to subtraction. So this is the brain exercise for subtraction. Find the f minus g of x. So first item, f of x equals to 6x plus 5, and the g of x is equals to 2x minus 3. Second item, f of x is equals to x squared plus 4, then the g of x is equals to 3x plus 2. Third item, f of x is equals to 5x raised to 3 plus 2, then the g of x is equals to 4x squared minus 3. Then last item, 4 of x is equals to e raised to x, and the g of x is equals to xx squared. I hope you copy this first and pause while you're answering, because the next clips will show the answers and solutions. Please copy and pause while you answer. I'll be sipping my coffee. Okay. Now for the subtraction brain exercise. We have to find the f minus g of x. So the first problem, this is the answer and solution for the first problem. So the problem is, find f of minus g of x, and the given is f of x is equals to 6x plus 5, and the g of x is equals to 2x minus 3. First and foremost, write the expression, substitute, then what's next? What's this? Substitute, then distribute the negative terms, distribute the negative terms, yes, then combine the like terms. And so the final answer for number 1 is 4x plus 8. Okay, that's the given, that's the problem, and the final answer and the overall solution. And so number 2, the given is f of x is equal to x squared plus 4, and the g of x is equal to 3x plus 2. Then first, of course, write the expression, substitute, and then the distribute, and then combine the like terms, the final answer. And so the final answer for problem number 2 is x squared f minus g of x is equal to x squared minus 3x plus 2. So that's the problem and everything for number 2. Okay. Now for the third and fourth. The third problem and the given is f of x is equal to 5x raised to 3 plus 2. Then the g of x is equal to 4x raised to 2 minus 3. First, of course, write the expression, distribute, combine, substitute, combine, distribute, then combine the like terms, and the final answer for the third number is f minus g of x is equal to 5x raised to 3 minus 4x squared plus 5. So this is the everything for number 3. Now on to the fourth item. So the given was f of x is equals to e raised to x, then the g of x is equals to x raised to 2. So write the expression, then substitute, then final answer. We don't have to do anything already because it's already been simplified. So that's already the final answer. It's f minus g of x is equal to e of x, e raised to x minus x raised to 2. So that's already the final answer for number 4. Okay. So yes. That was so cringe. So I hope you learned, even though just a bit from this video of mine, about this operation on functions, especially in addition and subtraction. Like Andrew Wiles said, just because we can't find a solution, it doesn't mean that there isn't one. True? Yes. So please don't forget to like and subscribe to this video, and see you on the next one. Bye!